Hello, little yogis! Welcome to Yoga Adventure Club. Are you ready for a fun yoga adventure? Stretch, breathe, and shine with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun yoga sessions. Let's go! Sit tall, bring your feet together, and flap your legs like butterfly wings. This pose helps stretch your legs and makes your body feel calm and strong. Stand tall like a strong tree, balance on one leg, and grow your branches to the sky. This pose helps improve balance, focus, and strength. Bend forward gently and let your body relax like a waterfall. This pose helps stretch your legs, back, and calm your mind. Balance on one leg like a tall, strong tree and stretch your arms wide. This pose helps build balance, focus, and confidence. Lie on your tummy, lift one leg, and hold your foot like a little rainbow bow. This pose helps stretch your body and make your back strong. Stretch to the side and reach toward your foot like a shining star. This pose helps your body stay flexible and relaxed. Curl up softly and rest like a peaceful little turtle. This pose helps your body relax and your mind feel calm and safe. Hug your knees close and roll into a tiny little ball. This pose helps relax your back and feels cozy and fun. Sit tall with crossed legs like a peaceful flower blooming. This pose helps you feel calm, focused, and relaxed. Lift your hips high and make an upside-down V shape like a stretching puppy. This pose helps make your body strong and flexible. Lift your legs over your head like a little rolling rainbow. This pose helps stretch your back and makes your body feel relaxed. Lift your tummy up high like a strong bridge. This pose helps make your legs and back strong while opening your chest. Stretch your arms wide and balance like a flying airplane. This pose helps improve balance, strength, and focus. Slide your legs wide like a playful monkey doing the splits. This pose helps stretch your legs and improve flexibility. Stand tall like a mountain and stretch gently to the side. This pose helps lengthen your body and makes you feel strong and calm. Sit comfortably with crossed legs and a tall back. This pose helps you feel calm, happy, and ready to breathe deeply. Lie on your tummy and lift your chest like a proud sphinx. This pose helps stretch your back and makes you feel strong and relaxed. Squat down low like a happy little frog and bring your hands together. This pose helps stretch your hips and improve balance. Sit tall, stretch your legs, and reach gently towards your toes. This pose helps stretch your back and legs while calming your body. Lift your chest and legs like a strong curved bow. This pose helps stretch your whole body and build strength. Stretch your arms wide and make a big triangle shape with your body. This pose helps improve balance, strength, and flexibility. Sit comfortably with crossed legs and a tall back. This pose helps you feel calm, happy, and ready to breathe deeply. Thank you, little yogis. You did an amazing job today. Keep stretching, breathing, and shining every day. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun yoga adventures. See you in the next video.